Hi everybody, I'm Nathan from Crazy Amazing Designs, and this file is called a JPEG, and this file is a PNG, and there's one major difference. When I place the PNG logo over top of the background image, we can see that the logo is cut out neatly, but when I do the same thing with the JPEG file, a white border shows up on the background. In this video, we are looking at slide transparency in ProPresenter 7. Let's say I want to output lower third lyrics and send them to OBS for streaming, or to a video switcher to be embedded in live video. To do this, we are going to need something called Alpha Key. Alpha Key is basically the same as this PNG file. It allows the output signal from ProPresenter 7 to be transparent. So long story short, Alpha Key is not supported through your computer's HDMI outputs, and there's only a few devices that support Alpha Key and allow ProPresenter 7 to output a transparent image. Later in this video, I'm going to share with you the most cost-effective device to do this, and an alternative if you don't have that hardware. NDI is one output that supports Alpha Key, and as we discussed in the screen config video, NDI is a video over network protocol. With NDI, we can send an output feed from Pro 7 out over the network and to software like OBS or Wirecast to encode a live stream. Here I have the PNG file selected, and as you can see, the output window around the logo is dark. This either tells us that the image around the logo is dark or that it's transparent. In OBS, I have two layers. The first layer is the NDI layer coming from Pro 7, and the second is the media source playing a video. So I'll just shut off the NDI layer and you can watch the video being played. As you can see, there's black around the logo, and this shows us that the NDI feed from Pro 7 is not currently transparent. So let's go take a look at the ProPresenter screen config window. I'm just going to go to Screens, Configure Screens, and when the window opens, you can see my audience is set to NDI. So when we select NDI as an output device, we will get an option for Alpha Key. And you can see it right here. We can then enable Alpha Key, and this will make our NDI output become transparent. And if you're not getting a transparent output after enabling this, then check to make sure this screen color window box is not checked. Instantly in OBS, the NDI layer became transparent, and now I can see the media playing behind our Pro 7 layer. This is great, but what I really want to do is send lyrics and graphics to my video switcher. There is a list on Renewed Vision's website that shows the devices that allow ProPresenter to output a transparent video feed. I have looked this list over, and the Blackmagic DeckLink Duo cards are the best value for the money. These are PCIe cards designed for desktop computers. They come in single, 4, 8 SDI, or quad HDMI options. I think it's safe to say that most people are like me and run ProPresenter on laptops or iMacs, and they don't have PCIe ports. That is why Renewed Vision at the ProPresenter 7 launch event, they used this DeckLink card setup with a Sonnet Echo Express external PCIe enclosure. So again, this is great. We now have a way to output transparent video from ProPresenter 7. Now, if you're like me, you don't actually have one of these DeckLink Duo cards, then you still have options. In fact, I think you still have some great options. And even though it would be great to go spend $800 on the DeckLink setup, the alternative options are still just as good as the DeckLink. So what is the alternative option? Well, Chroma Key. For those of you who don't have a DeckLink card with a PCIe enclosure, you can still easily send lower third lyrics and graphics to your video switcher and make them transparent. Here I have my logo image over top of a green slide, and we're still outputting to OBS over NDI. The transparent Alpha Key is off, and the green is all that stands in our way of having the logo over top of the live video. This setup is the same as sending video out from the computer over HDMI to a video switcher. Inside of OBS, I'm going to go to filters on the NDI layer, and I'm going to enable a Chroma Key. And this will remove the green and instantly leave me with just the logo sitting over the video that is playing underneath. This is exactly how the ATEM Switcher keys out the green and leaves the lyrics, graphics, and other slides on the screen. It is super easy to do this, and in my opinion, there's no need to go purchase the DeckLink card for this purpose. The only reason I would purchase the DeckLink card would be to take advantage of the output features in ProPresenter 7. It would be great for sending multiple stage display outputs to various parts of the stage, or to edge blend two projectors, or even create a 4-screen video wall. But I would stick with chroma keying lyrics on the ATEM Switcher. Well, I hope you found value in this video. If so, leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments. If you found this video relevant to what you're doing and would like to see others in the future, then consider subscribing to my channel. If you do that, don't forget to tap the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video on transparent outputs in ProPresenter 7. I hope to see you again soon. So until then,